Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert a PDF file into a Word file without downloading any third-party software and just by doing this simple step. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word app. Click on that. Now click on the blank document, and here you have to click on File, and here you have to click on Open. You have Home, New, and Open. Click on the Open option, and here we need to browse for the PDF file that we are going to convert. So I have here the PDF file on my desktop. Now click on that and click on Open. And you will receive this notice. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. But anyway, this is what we want to do, so you have to click on OK. And now it has been converted into a Word document. Now if we are going to close this, now let's click on Save first. And let's save this on desktop. Click on save and then close this. So we have this document one, which was the PDF file earlier, and now it has been converted into a Word file. So if we are going to open this, this is now an editable Word file, and this was the original PDF file earlier. So that's how you can easily convert a PDF file into a Word file without downloading any third-party software or application. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.